Assalamu alaikum. Hi students, here is Tawfiq Ahmad of your chemistry teacher. Today we will start our new chapter number 2, that is state of matter. So first of all, what is the matter? You know very well that anything which occupies space and has a mass, that is called the matter. So there are three states of matters: first solid, liquid and gas, but fourth is plasma. They are recognized through their properties. These states of matter, they are identified, characterized by their properties. So first is solid. Solid possesses both definite shape and definite volume. It contains maximum force of attraction between the particle. It cannot be compressed, having maximum kinetic energy. The particles of the solid are fixed at their position. They cannot move. The particle of solid just vibrate at their fixed position, and they possess vibrational energy. The particle of solid are tightly packed, and it possesses strong attraction. That's why they cannot move, because of the strong attraction and the strong bonding between them. Second is a liquid. Liquid has a definite volume but indefinite shape. Liquid has not its own shape. It takes the shape of container in which liquid is present, and liquid has low force of attraction between the particle. क्यों लो फोर्सेस होती हैं लिक्विड मॉलिक्यूल्स में से लिक्विड पार्टिकल में? बिकॉज ऑफ द वीक अट्रैक्शन प्रेजेंट बिटवीन देम. Liquid molecule has the attraction, but as compared to solid, these particle has lower attraction. That's why they can move. They slide over one another. Due to sliding, due to moving, the liquid can flow. And because of the smaller space, very smaller space, liquid cannot be compressed. And liquid particle have liquid particle contains kinetic energy greater than solid, because solid particle are fixed at their position. Due to fixing and strong attraction, they have not kinetic energy, but liquid has greater than solid, because liquid particle have little bit space between them. Due to space, they can move, they can flow. And third state is gas. Gas has neither definite shape nor volume. इसका कोई shape और volume नहीं है. It contains negligible force of attraction between the particle. Very low attraction present in the particle of the gases, because there is much free space present between the particle of the gases. Due to large space, gas particle move freely in random direction. Gas contains maximum kinetic energy of particle. Due to the free space, जब free space ज़्यादा है तो particle में space ज़्यादा होगा, they will move fastly, they move freely. जब freely move करते हैं तो उनकी kinetic energy ज़्यादा होती है, तभी वो freely move करते हैं. The particle of gas can move freely. The difference between these state is because of the arrangement of particle in them. Why the matter present in these three states? Because these states of matter is due to the arrangement of particle in liquid, solid and gases. How the particle are arranged in these three states of matter? The particle of solid are tightly packed and closed with each other, and if you see the particle of liquid, there is a little bit space between them. Solid has zero space, if you move towards this liquids, liquid have little bit space between them. Due to little bit space they can move, and if you move towards the gases state, they have much free space. Due to much greater space, they can move in random direction, and they possess strong larger kinetic energy. So these were the three basic main types of the states. But now fourth state is the plasma. What is plasma? Plasma is a super excited and energetic gas. It is the form of gas when gas molecules, gas particle are ionized. जब उनको आयोनाइज करते हैं, एनर्जी जब ज़्यादा हो जाती है, आयोनाइजेशन फॉर्म में गैस को लाते हैं, तो तब जो स्टेट बनती है दैट इज़ कॉल्ड द प्लाज्मा. द एग्जांपल ऑफ प्लाज्मा इज स्टार्स एंड लाइटनिंग. इट इज़ द फॉर्म ऑफ गैस बट प्रेजेंट in the ionized form, and it contains more energy than gaseous state. So these were the states of matter. If you see below the figure, there is a interconversion between gas to liquid and liquid to solid and solid to gas, but gas can be converted into plasma, and plasma can be converted into gas. That is the these are the four states of matter. And inshallah in next video we will discuss about the kinetic molecular theory of gases, solid and liquid. Kinetic molecular is the theory which describe the arrangement of particle in states of matter. Okay, thank you and Allah Hafiz.